Yeah, taking shape already. The trusses are laid already, awaiting the aluminium roofing profile that will be for the top. And then right in front here, we're going to use the framing for the tarpaulin covering, mixed with a little bit of Boko Haram and wire gusts to make the job look clean and fantastic. There's going to be a step down on this side for the second set of woodwork. So we'll wait and see. You can see the timing of the spacing of the trussing for those who will not have access to us directly to assist them in constructing. Now, here it's a very important spacing for people who are going to give attention to the fish, to pass by and feed the fish. Now, if you look at it's still on my neck height now, but by the time they fill up the environment, we're going to have the least space for the gutter, and then it will be about my rib cage height. So that's why this is going to be built up, but it's left at this level now just because they wanted to make sure that there's a straightness about the plank to have the veranda clean. But then we respect the outlet so that the outlet will have its own gutter to go on straight down, while people can pass through materials and give attention to it without anybody seeing them from outside. Everything is closed up like a very neat clinical environment.